Hi everyone, this is our second game which I took from our 49th ICA prize money tournament, and this game is played between Shamith and Atharva. Here Shamith is playing with white and Atharva is playing with black pieces. So let's see how Shamith started his game. So Shamith opened his game with the move of e4. So e4 is very common one, you know that it is called king's pawn opening, e4 e5, and then Shamith was playing NC3. Here it is known as Vienna game. So Atharva replied with an F6, then an F3. So this is known as three knight game because there are three knights you can see. So this opening is called three knight game here. Now Atharva played N to C6, and this time it is called four knight opening. You can see there are four knights, so for that reason it is called four knight opening. And here white can play bishop c4, which is known as Italian game four knight variation. This is very well known opening, and most of the players in our tournaments they are playing with this opening. But here Shamit was not going with Italian game four knight variation. So Shamit was playing Spanish variation here, bishop b5. It is called Spanish variation four knight game. So it is known as Ruy Lopez also. Spanish means Ruy Lopez Spanish game here. So after bishop b5, Atharva played bishop to c5, which is the classical line of the Spanish variation here. So here we can see that Shamit can take one pawn free of cost here. You can see that, but actually it is not free here. So according to the plan, Shamit took the knight. Atharva took with his d file pawn here to make this file semi-open here. Here Shamit was trying to grab the e5 pawn, which is okay, but it is not that much suitable for human. Computer is suggesting that it is okay, it is equal. White can maintain the equality here. So here we are seeing that Shamit is taking one pawn free of cost, but actually it is not free. Atharva can take the pawn back here. So Atharva played bishop takes f2. You can see that there is one queen fork coming quickly on the board. So king takes f2 and queen d4 check. Queen fork is there. So black is taking the knight back here. King is going here and queen takes e5. Okay, in this position the game is still equal. Here white lost his castle, but still it is equal. But I don't support white side that much here because white lost his castle. Still white has some compensation here. You can make it equal here. So white has to bring his queen in the game a little bit early here, and he has to control the center properly. So like that way white can continue. But black is little bit better here. According to me, black is slight better. So here Shamit played the move d3. So what is his intention? He wants to open up the bishop diagonal for the future plan. So he wants to move the rook here. With that way he can go for nice ideas here. So here Atharva played one slight dubious move. It is actually bishop g4. Now maybe most of you are thinking why bishop g4 is slight dubious here. After bishop g4, so here white queen has one option here, or white can play n e2. N e2 is not good. You know that it is a very bad move. Here some threats are there which is very dangerous. If Shamit play n e2 here, then n takes e4. That is very nice sacrifice. So pawn takes e4. You can see that. Now rook d8. So very nice attack is coming for black side here, and there is force move bishop d2. You can see that there is force move bishop d2, and then queen takes e4. Here black is easily winning the game here after doing a short castle, when this rook will be coming here to put some pressure on this file, and white has no good opportunities to save this game here. So here that is one of the trap you can say here. So here white has to play queen e2 here, sorry, queen d2. So Shamit played this one, still it is equal. So why this move is dubious? Maybe you are thinking that it is not dubious. Maybe queen is coming here, it is blocking his own diagonal, bishop's diagonal is blocked, but we can see that Shamit has very nice plan to exchange his queen. You can see that if Shamit is able to exchange the queen here, then it will be slight good position for Shamit here, because his center pawns are very good here. So Atharva should not allow this one here. So after queen d2 here, Atharva played long castle. Long castle is actually, it is not bad idea. Long castle is good. Immediately bringing the rook in this file. It is the semi-open file here, so he can bring one more rook here. So this plan is very good. Now we can see slightly means attack is increasing here. Here everything is okay. Still it is equal game, but here is the blunder time. Shamit played queen f2, and that is completely blunder move. Here actually Shamit has so many good composition here. He can play queen g5 to means exchange the queen here. So black has to go back, and rook f1 to put some pressure on this knight here by capturing this one. These are the means lines to continue the game. Suppose some mistakes I can show you from black side here. If black plays this one to deflect the queen here, then black is totally losing the game here. Queen takes g7. You can see that this is attacked by the queen and the rook, and black has to move the knight. But what is the problem? If black moves the knight here somewhere, suppose here, then black is losing the bishop here. So this is completely losing. So with that way, Shamit could have continued his game here. Or if black accept the challenge here, after queen g5, if black accept the challenge here, then it is good for white actually. Bishop takes g5, and you can see there is one nice pin. So this knight is in danger. So rook f1 is coming. So these are the lines to continue the game here. But Shamit played queen f2 in the game, which is not good at all. I realized that I think he was trying to open up the bishop diagonal and to attack on the queen. Most probably for that reason he was trying to do that. And here Atharva played one nice move. It is very good actually. N takes e4. I like this move. It is very nice move. You can see that this is the plan here. Here Shamit has two options. He can take with the pawn here, he can take with the knight here, but these two options are very bad here in the game. Actually he took with the knight here. Okay, before I show you this knight capturing, let me show you with what will be happened if you capture the pawn here. Is it that much good idea? No. If Shamit captures with the pawn, then black has one dangerous move, which is queen takes c3, check. Now white cannot capture with the pawn, then rook d1, checkmate. Very nice checkmate. So after, this is one of the trap here. So in the game after n takes e4, Shamit took the knight with his knight. So knight takes e4 here, and then queen takes e4, check. So here the position is totally collapsed for Shamit here. So here Shamit captured his queen, and then rook d1, checkmate. So actually it was a very nice game. So everything was okay, but Shamit made one this move is blunder here. Otherwise he could have continued this game very nicely here. Okay, both of them played well. So I hope all of you have learned one nice trap here in this game here, Vienna game. So you can apply this kind of systems or this kind of traps in your game. Thanks for watching this video, everyone.